Welcome back, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to change out the left bumper of our Steam Deck. The main reason for this is just because I like tearing things down to see how they work, so to speak, and hopefully this guide will help someone out there who does have a legitimate need to change out their bumpers. This will be a commentary-free guide, and I do skip around in the reassembly, but basically you're just going to go through the breakdown steps in reverse, and it's really pretty simple and straightforward. Valve did an excellent job in making this device accessible for repair and part replacement. I'm currently trying to track down a button daughter board and will upload a video on replacing that down the road, barring I can find one. So far we've upgraded the SSD, cloned the SSD, replaced the joysticks and installed Windows, and we quickly removed it, I might add, on the Steam Deck. Those videos can be found in the Steam Deck playlist. Okay, so a pretty short intro. I hope you enjoyed the guide. If you do, please consider leaving a like and a comment if you so choose. And thanks for watching. Let's get into it. Alright, that wraps up this video. One quick note here. The trigger can be a pain to remove and seat back in, so just be careful not to use too much pressure. You can find the bumper replacement on iFixit for around $7 US, so about 14 or 15 bucks if you decide to replace both, and I do use an iFixit toolkit. And for those of you that noticed, yes, I did use a bit of duct tape to hold my bandage wrap in place. You know what they say, if you can't duck it. The next video coming out will be episode 5 of our Steam library playthrough, which should be uploaded on Tuesday, I'm projecting. On a quick final note, some of my friends and I are going to start a bit of streaming with Rainbow Six Siege. We're not quote-unquote streamers, but we usually have a good time. Because it's not a priority for me, we don't really have a set schedule, but if you want to see some really bad gameplay and us getting wrecked, you're welcome to join us. I'll make an announcement on the Twitch channel as to when we plan on playing, but again, we're not streamers and real life often does get in the way with our plans. Anyway, so thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe and have a good one.